Let's learn something. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. They push the code. Let's learn something new today. In last episode, we are discussing about how to create Xamarin Android application in Visual Studio and Xamarin Android application project structure. Today, we are going to discuss about activity in Xamarin Android application. In Xamarin Android, activity represents the single screen of the application. That means if in your app have a login page represents the login activity. A registering page represents the registration activity. Like that, number of activities are presented inside the any Android application. In activity consists of a mainly two components are presented. One is UI component, another one is code component. The combination of these two we call as a activity. Here UI component represents the design of the application or visual structure of the activity. Here whatever the design we require, that related code we are written inside the UI component. And code component represents the functionality related code we are written inside the code component. Let's see in detail what is UI component and what is code component in activity. In Xamarin Android application, UI of the screen will be declared inside the XML files. So whatever the design we require to display to the user, the design related code needs to be written inside the XML files. Let's see practically how to create XML files inside Xamarin Android project. If you want to create XML files in Xamarin Android project, first you need to open the resource folder. There you have to open the layout subfolder. Right click on the layout subfolder and click on add. There you need to click on new item. Here you need to select the Android layout and give the name of your layout name. And click on add. Here you can see that our XML file is created successfully inside the layout folder. So this is the process of creating XML files inside Xamarin Android. These XML files are used for designing the UI screen of the application. So whatever the design we require, the design related code if you write inside this XML file, the design will reflect to the user. Xamarin Android provide number of controls to design of the application. With the help of these controls, we can able to design our required design. And must should one note point here is whatever the XML files we created, definitely it's should be inside the layout folder only. Then only we can able to use inside of the application. In any Android application, number of activities are presented. Here each activity represents the single screen of the application. So if you want to create the any activity, first you need to create the subclass for the activity and you need to add activity attribute to the class. Then our activity will be created inside the Xamarin Android project. Another role of activity in Xamarin Android application is whatever the functionality we require, that functionality related code we need to write inside the activity only. And whatever the behavior of the controls we are writing inside the XML files, that behavior we can able to write inside the activity class only. Without activities, we cannot able to create Android applications because once your Android application is launched, activity is the first method should be called by the Android OS. So with the help of the activities only, we can able to create our application. Whenever application launch, the first activity is called as a main activity. If your application have collection of activities are presented, but first activity called by the Android application is main activity. If you want to add any activity as a main activity, definitely you need to set the main launcher is true. Then only that activity taken as a main activity by Android OS. Another use of activity is whatever the design we need to display to the user, the design related XML file definitely we need to insert inside the activity only. Then only that design will be displayed to the user. Let's see how to create activity and how to link our XML file to this activity in Visual Studio. Let's see how to create activity in Xamarin Android project. If you want to create activity, definitely you need to create inside the resource folder only. So now I'm creating the activity. First right click on the resource folder and click on add and to click on new item. Here you can see the activity C# class. Select the activity C# class and give your activity name and click on it, our activity will be created. Here you can see that if you select the activity C# class without writing additional code, our class will be automatically inherited from the activity base class and activity attribute also by default it is added. So this is the process of creating activity. In another process also we can able to create the activity. Now I will show you another process, that is click on the resources and create the class. Here we need to give our class name. Now our class is created. Here we need to manually inherit this class from the activity base class. We need to write activity and we need to write the activity attribute. So this is the another process of creating activity. But if you select the activity C# class without writing any additional code, these are all will be created automatically. If you create any Xamarin Android application, by default, main activity will be added to your project. Here now I am opening the main activity. Here you can see that our main activity is inherited from the activity base class, and here they are setting as a main launcher is true. If you set any activity is main launcher is true, that activity taken as a main activity, and whenever our application is start, Android OS will start the this main activity first. If you create any activity in Xamarin Android application, onCreate override method is will be added automatically. The main use of onCreate method is whatever the design we require, the design related XML file we need to write inside the onCreate method only. Because whenever your activity is called, the first method inside the activity called is onCreate. So whatever the XML file we need to call, that related XML file we need to call inside the onCreated method. Here you can see that with the help of the set content view, we are calling our XML file. So inside main activity class, with the help of set content view, we are linking our activity class with the XML file.
Thank you for watching our videos. Please like, share and subscribe my channel Deepu's Decoder.